Hey witches, what's up and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Barbie and thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more crystal and witchy content. Alright you guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be showing you guys all of the crystals that I keep in my bedroom by my bedside table while I sleep, and these crystals I have chosen for a very specific reason. So today I'm going to walk you through which crystals I choose to keep next to my bedside and why. So I'm going to be diving into a little bit more of the healing properties today. So if you guys are really interested in learning about crystal healing and some of the healing properties of these crystals that I keep by my bedside, stay tuned and let's get on into the video. Alright you guys, this is the set of crystals that I keep next to my bedside table. You can see it's on this gorgeous tray that I actually picked up from Hobby Lobby, and on top of it we have a ton of crystals with a ton of meanings. So I'm going to be walking you through why I chose these crystals, why they hang out in my bedroom, and what I use them for. And I'm also going to be referencing some of the healing properties from the magic journal. I will leave the creator's link down below, but I use this a lot to reference healing properties. So I'm going to be using this today to tell you a little bit more about the healing properties of these crystals. So starting off on the right side, I have this gorgeous rose quartz bowl, and I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see. So this is what the rose quartz bowl looks like, and you can see on the other side I have a Palo Santo stick. So I use this to cleanse before I go to sleep. I use this also just for relaxation. Rose quartz is really great for love, comfort, compassion, peacefulness, healing, nurturing, and nourishing. So rose quartz is great for the heart chakra and the base root chakra. So rose quartz is great for attracting new love and romance. It inspires a sense of contentment with yourself, allowing you to give love and receive love. So not only is this rose quartz bowl just a bowl, it is a healing crystal that I have chosen to keep in my bedroom, not only for myself but for my relationship. So that is a little bit about the rose quartz bowl. So moving on, we have a couple of night sprays that I use a lot. This first spray is from Aveda and it's a chakra spray, and it smells really amazing. It smells super earthy. So this one I use a lot just for relaxation. I spray it around the room or on my pillow, and it's just really good for balancing and grounding, and again it has a super earthy scent, so I use that a lot. And the next spray that I have was actually a gift from my friend. It is a crystal spray, so you can hear that. It has crystals in the bottom. So this is from Paper Crane Apothecary. It says, "Don't panic, stress less, mist." And it says gem and aromatherapy infused. And you can see that I'm actually running really low, but again, a gift from a friend. So I switch between spraying this and the chakra spray. But I keep these two by my bedside table because those are the most relaxing sprays that I have found to keep me calm. So we're actually gonna skip the bracelets because I'm going to talk about the crystals first, and then I'll circle back to the bracelets. So the next crystal we're going to talk about is this one. So this is what bismuth looks like up close, and this is actually a man-made stone. But the reason I have it, oh, there comes my dog. So like I was saying, bismuth is actually a man-made crystal, and I've heard it's really good for loneliness and being alone. So I did want to have this because my husband is currently deployed, so I thought this would be a really great crystal to keep by my bedside table. So the next crystal that is by the bedside table is this crystal. So this is a small piece of Tiffany stone, and the reason I have Tiffany stone is it has a bunch of different minerals crystals combined together with different healing properties. But the other reason why I have Tiffany stone is not only is it beautiful, but it actually helps with romance. So Tiffany stone is said to clear blockages, and it actually helps boost your intimate life. So the next crystal that I have in here is a big chunk of blue calcite. And how gorgeous is this? And blue calcite is really good for the throat chakra. Now, I have had thyroid issues for a really long time. Blue calcite is also really good for relaxation and soothing your body and mind. So next crystal I keep by my bedside table is this gorgeous piece of citrine. Not only because it's gorgeous and I love to look at it, and it's probably one of the most beautiful crystals that I have, but citrine has some really amazing healing properties. So citrine is known as the light maker and merchant stone, but it is good for the crown chakra and solar plexus, and it is associated with wealth and abundance. It also helps manifest financial or business success. It boosts joy and optimism, provides motivation to achieve your goals. It carries the power of the sun. It promotes creativity and imagination. It's not recommended for people who have a fiery temper or those who like to gossip. So that is the reason I keep citrine here. It helps me keep my business mindset for all of the businesses that I am working on. And it's just a gorgeous piece of citrine. I stare at this baby every single night. So the next crystal I keep by my bedside table is this gorgeous lepidolite tower. I have kept this in my bedroom for the longest time. You can see there's a little sparkle on it. And lepidolite is really good for trauma and stress. Lepidolite is the stone of transition and helps you with a new approach to life and to not fear change. Lepidolite helps relieve stress and balance emotions. It aids in release of old behavior patterns. It supports gradual change, provides calm and tranquil energy during chaotic or stressful times. So really great stone. Again, this is another one for the throat chakra. So I do also choose this to help with my thyroid disorder. It's really good for calming, nurturing, and tranquil energy, and it's great for fear and self-doubt. So an amazing stone. This is, if I had to recommend one stone that everybody should have in their collection, it would be lepidolite. And the next stone I keep in here is actually a skull, and it is a blue and yellow tiger's eye skull with probably the most insane flash that I've ever seen. And tiger's eye is a great stone. In terms of chakra, it's good for the solar chakra and base and root chakra, and it brings good luck, promotes mental clarity, and helps with problem solving. It settles mood swings and releases tension. It's the stone of wealth and prosperity, ideal for new business owners and entrepreneurs, grants the ability to see everything, including that which is secret or hidden. Use tiger's eye to boost motivation and willpower to make healthy lifestyle changes. Carry it with you to overcome fear when taking exams or speaking in public. So I definitely love this stone. Again, another great stone for entrepreneurs and just to help with anxiety. And the last big crystal I keep in here is clear quartz. Now, clear quartz is a great crystal for any beginner, and I also use this crystal to help amplify all of the healing crystals energies. So clear quartz is, again, just a really great crystal. This is a chunky one, and this is great for the crown chakra. This offers healing to any condition, magnifies energy and manifestation. It speeds up the outcome of manifestations, healing, and spiritual growth. So that's another reason why I keep this with the other crystals that I have chosen. It's effective at holding information and can be programmed with energy or intent. To program clear quartz, hold the crystal in the palm of your hand and focus on the energy or intention you want to put into it. Clear quartz needs to be cleansed regularly as it absorbs energy. So again, clear quartz is such an important crystal to have. I think any beginner should have a clear quartz tower, bracelet, sphere, raw stone. Highly recommend having a clear quartz. So really quick, I'm gonna go over all of these bracelets. So the reason I have all of these bracelets is because no matter what mood I'm feeling, if I need a certain healing energy that day, I can quickly grab a bracelet. So let's go over them quickly just so you can see why I have these bracelets here. So the first bracelet I have is this gorgeous malachite bracelet, and yes, this is genuine malachite. If you want to learn how to spot real and fake malachite, I made a video on it, so I'll link it in the eye above. But malachite is really great with helping to absorb negative energy and pollutants. Malachite clears and activates chakra and attunes to spiritual guidance and opens the heart to unconditional love. So I definitely wear this bracelet a lot, and it's so gorgeous. Malachite is one of my favorite stones. So the next crystal bracelet I have here is Larimar. Now Larimar is really good for the throat chakra, so another one that I use for my thyroid condition. Larimar has a ton of healing properties. It's really good for healing fear and anger, emotional trauma, self-sabotage, panic attacks, stress, high blood pressure, and throat conditions. So this stone is also known as the Dolphin Stone or the Atlantis Stone. Larimar is great to use as a worry stone and great for meditation to the divine feminine. And there's a little warning in this book that says, do not expose Larimar to too much light or heat as it may fade over time. So I find so much benefit in this gorgeous Larimar bracelet. So the next bracelet I have here is a lepidolite bracelet, and I already talked about the healing properties of lepidolite, so I won't go over them again, but I do like to have a piece of lepidolite with me that I can wear. So when I'm traveling or away from home, I can have the healing properties with me. So the next bracelet I have is a flower agate bracelet, and this was actually a gift from one of my friends. Flower agate is one of my favorite stones. Flower agate is great for manifestation and promoting to push the user to correct their life path. It can clear and balance energies in the body and remove stagnation, procrastination, and put your mind and body into action. So I just really love flower agate, but again, it's a great stone for motivation. The next crystal bracelet that I have is rose quartz, and I've already gone over the healing properties, but again, I really love rose quartz as a bracelet to wear if I'm needing it that day. It's just a really great healing stone. So next is this stunning rhodochrosite bracelet, and you guys know if you watched any of my videos, rhodochrosite is one of my absolute favorite stones. Not only is it rare, but it is beautiful. Rhodochrosite is a stone that integrates physical and spiritual energies, stimulating love and passion while energizing the soul. Rhodochrosite opens the heart, lifting depression and encouraging a positive and cheerful outlook. And it helps soothe emotional stress. So again, a really great stone to wear if I'm having a rough day. The next bracelet that I have is a rhodonite bracelet, and this one has teeny tiny little stones. And rhodonite is a stone of compassion, an emotional balancer that clears the way for emotional wounds and scars from the past. It stimulates, clears, and activates the heart and aids in achieving one's highest potential. So really great healing stone. So carnelian is really great for energy, and for the longest time I didn't really like carnelian, but the reason why I didn't like it is because it's clearly a stone that I needed in my life. Because of my low thyroid, I really struggle with having a lot of energy. No matter how much coffee I drink or how much sleep I get, I struggle with having enough energy. So I wanted to get a carnelian bracelet, so if I'm feeling low energy, I can wear it and it can help me get through the day. Carnelian is the artist stone. It boosts courage and self-confidence, calms rage, and banishes negative emotions, replacing them with love. Carnelian brings inspiration, endurance, and motivation for success, attracts good luck and prosperity, wards off jealousy and anger and resentment. So again, a really good stone. I use it mostly for the energy. I'm not an overly angry person or have stressful coworkers or anything like that. Ever since I got this stone, I've noticed my energy has been immensely better. Alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I was really excited to give you guys something new and teach you a little bit more about some of the healing properties behind some of these crystals, and specifically why I've chosen these crystals to keep by my bedside table, because I swear by these crystals and I swear by their properties, and I hope this helped you guys learn a little bit more about the healing properties of some of these crystals. So if you guys want me to talk more more about healing properties and crystals, let me know in the comment section down below. I typically don't get into the healing properties a lot, but if this is something you guys are interested in, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye! And before I go, a special thank you to all of my patrons. You keep this channel alive and running. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, I will leave a link in the description box down below. This is a great way to show support to the channel, or if you're looking for additional business advice, I offer this as well. So I look forward to seeing you on my Patreon.